is built on truth, no doubt can heal. Blessings hide in moments when we dare. Hope goes louder when it's shared. Every step shows we still care, turning faith into a forward prayer. Excitement lives where courage starts. We found the courage to dream with open hearts. Every vision breaks the parts that once kept us worlds apart. Excitement grows when dreams ignite. Shared belief becomes our light. With Ash to guide us through the night, we rise together into sight. After it goes through the days we made, every risk a fearless trade. What we build will never fade. Truth and unity are blade. Different paths, yet one design. Every blessing right on time. We align and then refine, turning pressure into shine. Excitement lives where courage starts. We found their courage to dream with open hearts. Every vision breaks the parts that once kept us worlds apart. Excitement grows when dreams ignite. Shared belief becomes our light. With Ash to guide us through the night, we rise together into sight. Fear dissolves when truth takes place. Faith ignites our